Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO IQOO 5 Pro and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example, messages, notes, or wherever you want to just have the keyboard on the screen. And now let's enter the settings. If you cannot find them, no worries, 3 dots icon and the settings will appear right here. So let's enter the settings and tap on the languages. As you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which you can choose. So this list is so wide, it's so impressive. I'm sure that you will find the language you'd like to set. So let me find, let's say, graphical language. So for example, the Urdu one. So just find the language and tap on it. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region. So let me tap on the one I would like to set. And as you can see here, you've got the keyboard types. And this time I've got 3 different options. Sometimes you will only have 1 option or even 5 to choose from. So it depends, of course. You can set the language you'd like to use. So for example, it can be handwriting, the graphical one, or let's say a regular one. So let me pick the graphical one in order to show you the difference. So just mark the one you'd like to use. As you can see, you can use much more. So for example, you can pick all of them, but I will pick only one and tap on Done. As you can see, the order language has been immediately applied. So let me go back to the keyboard in order to show you the difference. So as you can see, right here we've got the new icon, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm, let's say, typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. What's more, as you can see on the spacebar, we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So this time we've got Urdu, and after tapping on the globe icon, we've got the English. I don't know why it wasn't displayed before, but that's okay. So right now we've got English, here we've got Urdu, and again English. So basically this is how to add the language to keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, and here from the step we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, so just like it was before at the very beginning of the video. And as you can see, so first of all, the spacebar is empty, and we cannot find the globe icon, and we cannot change the language. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.